Okay, so this is a very quick video orientation for the course, give you an overview of what you're gonna do during the whole semester. It's gonna be a weekly based, it's gonna be assignment opened on Monday and closed on the following Monday, which will be your due date for that week assignment. Okay, so let us see the Blackboard interface. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the first week available for you, and also just to give you an idea of the distribution of the grade. Your homework will be about 60% of the homework in this course, and the rest, the 40%, will be on your final project. First thing you have to do is to enter the things to do first, which is during the first week. And we'll start by looking at the syllabus, download it, print it, or keep it handy. Look at the calendar. So the calendar, I would advise you to download it so you can write on it. At least this is for you to keep you up to date with what's happening. As you can see, the assignments are not listed, so you can add over there what you want to do, or like writing to-do list in it. What else? There is installation for Tableau desktop in the time being, and in a couple of days or maybe next week I will also add how you can install a Tableau public and publish your work to the net on cloud-based platform that is free for students. Okay. So make sure you downloaded Tableau and your computer is set to use it during the semester. Now let's go back a little bit for week one. So in week one, I'm gonna ask you to start practicing a little bit, and before that, just watch the TED Talk video about big data and introduce yourself, post a video or post a picture as you wish to a discussion board, and give me answers to some of these questions, and most importantly, add your opinion about the TED Talk. Okay, the materials for training, this course require a lot of hands-on training. We're not using a textbook. All the information is going to be hands-on and practices. And the way to be able to accomplish that, you need really to use your computer frequently and to learn the concept as a bootcamp way to drill into the information to learn the application. Okay, in week one, you will see that I have listed 3 videos here. Each one of them provide you with information on simple topics just to introduce you to Tableau. In addition, there are downloaded materials. So the PDF file, which is the script of that video, if you miss something, you are a textual learner, so you have the text. If you are a visual learner, you might not even look at the text. You have dataset in some of those, so download the dataset because you're gonna practice with those videos, and some of them have the starting dashboard that you start with, and then you have the solution to compare it to your work at the end to make sure what did you miss, or if you did it correctly or not. Okay, very simple 3 videos, and they are not so long. The first one is about less than half an hour, and the other 2 are only 5 minutes each one of them. Okay, very easy start for the semester. Now the week 1 assignment, you will see it underneath it, is going to be more of print based. So you will have my instructions. You're going to follow them step by step to learn how to create many different basic charts. So from the concept basic charts, that means we're going to have advanced charts, coming soon. So I advise you to go ahead and start playing with those, and the more you do it, the more you repeat how you work through those exercises, the better off you are in learning the application. After you're done with it, you're gonna save it, and then you're gonna upload it as your answer to week 1. Hopefully you will enjoy those tasks, and next week you will get more concepts about how to do visual analytics, how to create storytelling, visualization, dashboards, and a lot of visual concepts that intertwine with the practical concept. So that's it. So make sure all the time to check your work. Also to make sure to follow the deadline. So we're gonna always have a deadline. So from the calendar, if you look at every week, you're gonna have a deadline. Start with the start by the first Monday, and then the due date will be the following Monday by midnight. So the closing always by midnight Monday, as you can see. So whatever you do in every week, that's a deadline. And before finishing this calendar, pay attention to the end of it. So at the end of this semester, as you can see here, the last 3 weeks, so week 13 to 15, which include week 14, which is the holiday, in these 3 weeks you're gonna be doing your final project, and your final project will be related to COVID-19 research-based project. And if you want to know more about what I anticipate from you to do, I will advise you to go to WKU website, and then just write DA from the word data analytics, DA. So WKU website /DA, and from there go to data DA student projects, graduate or undergraduate. Just look at those projects that your colleagues did last on summer. That was really short semester. It was compact in 1 month. So just so you know what kind of project that you can do. For example, Chris, he did NFL data analysis so for the reopening during this season, and he's anticipating which stadiums that can really be considered safe and which they are not, and many more. So for example, here Brian did related to the project of data that being gathered all over US about wearing masks and the effect of wearing masks in comparison with the spread. So just take a look at all those videos. Those are pitches, and this is what you're going to do at the end of the semester. You're going to create a video pitch. Also, you're going to create a paper, and you're going to have your dashboard. So we're going to learn how to do dashboards. Then we're going to rely on you to create the video, and I will give you all the guidelines, and I will give you all the data and the startup for the project. Okay, just take a look and enjoy the time now you have that you are not having a lot of assignments during the first couple of weeks. So maybe some ideas will come to you and you will be interested in analyzing them. Okay, so that's it.